chef hit, guys. Yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef guys. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in the kitchen, I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. This roll of dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you my right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Chef and dice, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes sir, welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we about to put together our collard greens gumbo. I have my beef sausage, smoked sausage anyway. Our smoked turkey wings. We have our shrimp, our chicken raw, our vegetables, bell peppers, onion, garlic, celery, and 2 heads of collard greens. So we're about to make it happen right here in this good kitchen. Alright, so we have our smoked turkey wing. Okay, go ahead and set them on some fire. We'll add our chicken broth, beef broth, however you know how you want, whatever you want to use. I'm gonna add a half a cup of water just to cover the turkey wing. Okay, so here go our greens right here. I tore off the stems. I'm not gonna use the stems, and I'm filming by myself, so I only have 2 hands. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and roll these greens up, and I'm gonna cut them. And once I finish cutting them, we'll go ahead and soak them in some salt and white vinegar. We have all our vegetables chopped up. And don't forget, hit that like button. A lot of my good family and friends out there don't be hitting that like button for your boy. So hit that like button. Okay, I chopped up the greens. You know, cool little size. I just chopped them. Before I chopped them, I rolled them. Roll all the greens together, and I just chopped them. Give them a nice chop. So now we're going to go ahead and add our salt. You can add as much salt as you want, because you just want to clean the greens. Vinegar, white vinegar. You can add as much vinegar as you want, because we just cleaned them. So now we'll go ahead and just mess with them. If you want to, you can add a little more salt, and that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna clean them and just rinse them, give them a nice rinse, about 4 or 5 times. Okay, these turkey wings coming just right. We're gonna use that juice. Okay, so we're gonna add our oil. About a half a cup of oil, extra virgin olive oil. We'll let that heat up. I'm gonna add our smoked sausage. Okay, we'll spin them around for about a minute, then we'll fish them out. Okay, we'll add our onions. We'll add a half cup all-purpose flour. Celery. We'll add our bell peppers. Add a little more flour. Now I'm gonna add our seasoning. Mix that in. We'll add our garlic. We'll spin this around for about 30 seconds. And now we're going to add our chicken broth. Ready to fall off the bone. Now this is how you make gravy from scratch. We'll add our greens. Now remember, your greens make its own juice. Okay, so we added our greens. Now I'm going to go ahead and set a top on there and let it do its thing. Okay, so I added a cup of water. Now I'm going to add our smoked turkey wings. Mix it in. I'm going to let them cook. about 45 minutes to an hour. I have my fire on low. Okay, so now we're gonna add our shrimps. I'm gonna let these shrimps go ahead and cook about 10 minutes. And we'll get this food on a nice plate. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. And don't forget, hit that like button. Okay, so that's how we looking right there. Now I'm about to get this good food on a nice plate. Yes. Okay, so here we go right here. We got that collard green style gumbo. I done made it happen. And it's good kitchen. Look at it. And yes, it's fire. For real. And if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget, hit that like button. Hit that like button. Look at it. I did my thing. I didn't make no rice because I too much don't care for rice. But if you make this and you love rice, go ahead, put you some rice on the side. It's gonna look good with this delicious food. And then I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification, like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice.